Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Delicious, and today we're making some delicious zucchini noodle lasagna. It's an amazing low-carb meal option and totally satisfying. We're going to start with the sauce first. We're going to use 1 jar of Classico, 1 can of tomato paste, about 15 cherry tomatoes chopped in half, 1/3 cup mushrooms, a handful of fresh chopped basil leaf, and now we're going to add a whole onion, 2 carrots, and a red pepper to our sauce. Here we have a mixture of garlic powder, salt, pepper, and onion powder. Add some oregano and mix it all up. To make the noodles, we're using the Starfrit mandolin slicer. It's super handy for cutting perfect strips. If you'd like to purchase one of these, check out the link below. I have the American and Canadian link for Amazon. Now the trick with the noodles is to dry them out. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper, spread out your zucchini noodles, and sprinkle them with salt to draw out the moisture. Now put them in the oven at 350 for about 25 minutes. Now that we've reduced the moisture on the noodles, we can get started on our layers. The first layer is a light layer of sauce, followed by zucchini, sauce again, then a thick layer of ricotta. You can use cottage cheese, but we just love ricotta. Follow up with another layer of noodles, another layer of sauce, another light layer of ricotta, and then top it off with mozzarella cheese. You're going to wrap it in tin foil for the first 45 minutes that it's in the oven, then remove the tin foil and put it on broil for 5 minutes. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like and subscribe, that little bell right there, for more delicious recipes, and check out one of these other delicious videos.